Hi, this is Matt. We're in a condo right on Channelside Drive in Tampa. The refrigerator here has had a leak. You can see it's been leaking for a while. The place is vacant. There's a lot of mold growing there. You can see the discoloration on the floor as well. Sean, why don't you put the meter down there on the bottom of the cabinets? You can see the meter's ringing, soaking wet. Okay, and then over here on the other side, you can see in the floor, there's some water coming out when you walk on the wood floor. So this wood floor is warping. Kind of see that in the glare of the sun there. I put the meter on this. These are storage cabinets. It's wet there as well. And then over here on the back of this cabinet here, so you can see that the water's had time to soak into all the wood cabinetry and the doors. And if we go quickly around the back of this fridge, you can see it's discolored on the back of the fridge as well. So pull your fridges out and just make sure you don't have any slow leaks in your house. Check underneath your sinks as well. Mr. Dry Out. Okay, this is Matt. We're back the next day. We just met with the owner, and you can see there's a lot of mold damage behind the baseboards. The baseboards hold the moisture into the walls. So wherever it can't escape, like there, you can see mold starts to grow on the drywall. And also on the drywall there, and it's just a black, layer underneath the wood flooring. But you can see the back of some of this wood flooring is pretty green. So it's been wet a few days. This area right here we showed yesterday with the meter, you can see that the wall is rotting out as well. The water's still coming out from the floors. And here's at the base by the cabinets, it's green there. And then behind the fridge, we've cut out some of the wall, and you can see inside the wall and into the cabinets there's some, it's hard to see, it's dark. There's some mold growing there and in the other unit, so we're going to be taking all that material out. Has granite countertops, so we're not going to pull the cabinets until the adjuster comes out and sees the damage. Call Mr. Dry Out anytime. This is the wall kind of across from the toilet or the window, and you can see on the baseboard there on the wall, it looks like almost like a piece of bread that's old. There's so much mold on it. It's right by the toilet entry, and right across the hall. Mold damage. This is the dining area. You can see the back of the drywall is just covered. It's coming right out of that area there. Here we're moving the wood floor. You can see how wet the boards are, and you can see the moisture. And these pads they put under the floored wood floors, they almost work like a sealing wheel and hold the moisture in. You can see the water just puddled up there on top of the moisture barrier. Just want to show how wet the floor is underneath the rubber moisture barrier. It's like a lake under there. Here's the view of the dining or the family room area. You can see how wet it is all over the floor there. This is a view of the side of right where the oven cabinet is there. And if you look where we cut the wall open, you can see how green that drywall is right there. And that's behind the cabinets. So this is pretty much where we're going to end today. Take a look at the drywall we've removed, bottom of those cabinets, drywall around the wall, around this wall. See the moisture on the floor. We're going to vacuum this. Take out some drywall there, it was moldy. Good view of the damage here where the fridge was. The other side. Along this wall. Looking back there. over here.